just wanna go back to 1999. Take a ride to my old neighborhood.
Okay, hi, hello, what's up everyone? Hello, Teacher Joy.
Yes, hello everyone and hello Teacher K! So, welcome to our new YouTube channel. Yes.
Okay, so what are we gonna do today is we will be doing the Samyang noodles challenge, right?
Yes, that's right, Teacher K. And I think these noodles is a Korean noodles, right?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And I'm getting nervous and this is actually going bananas.
Yes, and indeed, Teacher K. Actually, me too. I think this will be my first crazy challenge. Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, so what do Samyang noodles taste like, Teacher Joy?
Well, Teacher K, they said Samyang noodles is a pretty much spicy and a little bit oily and sweetness.
Really? But most people can't taste the oiliness and sweetness anyways because well, those fire noodles and insanely hot.
Really, Teacher K?
Yes. So for today, we are gonna cook the Samyang noodles.
Yes, that's right, Teacher K.
Actually, we don't have much time to cook. So what are we going to do now is we will use the alternative
way of cooking noodles. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so nervous, Teacher K.
Okay, first we will use this.
Yes, we're going to use a big bowl.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's open.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Teacher K.
Wow.
So this is Samyang noodles, guys.
Pretty much. And then next, let's put the boiled water.
Be careful, Teacher K. Oh my god, I think
Oh
I
my
cannot
God.
take it anymore, Teacher K.
Is this enough?
So we are going to use four for mixing with hot water.
Okay.
Yeah, are you excited, Teacher K?
So let's wait a few minutes.
Yes, maybe 5 minutes, guys, is okay.
A few moments later.
Hello, guys! Welcome back! Yeah, so now we are done cooking the Samyang noodles and now it's ready to serve. Yeah, so what will be the next, Teacher K?
So the challenge is we have to eat Samyang noodles and we have to finish it. And whoever wins this competition will get the cash prize. But the real challenge here is we're not allowed to drink milk.
Oh my
So
god!
we have to finish this first before
drinking
this milk.
Oh
Okay,
my God.
so are you ready?
Of course, Teacher K, I cannot say not ready.
Okay, we're ready. Okay.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Let's do this. Oh my gosh.
Would you like a banana, Reggie? Don't you think it would be so yummy?
I'm crying.
Good question.
We cannot do this anymore.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay. It makes me cry, guys. Oh my god. If you want to be an actress, guys, and if you want to cry a lot, this noodles is well recommended, right, Teacher K? This is the craziest challenge I did, Teacher K. So what about the cash prize, Teacher K?
Oh yeah. What about the cash prize?
Oh my god, I have a good idea. I think we are going to get it.
Okay. So money. This is 1, 2, 3.
How much? Because I have challenge, I have 1,670 pesos. So if you think, guys, this challenge is interested, you may try it at home with your friends or your siblings also. Yeah, right, Teacher Gay?
Yes.
Yes, as you can see, guys, almost we can't talk anymore because yeah, this challenge is really crazy, I think. Do you have a final message, Teacher K?
Okay, hello guys. So if you think you can do this kind of challenge at home, why not? Try it.
Yes, that's right, guys. But
Make sure.
that you have milk and
Water.
yes,
Yeah.
that's right. And I think, guys, this kind of challenge is not advisable for kids, right,
Yes.
Teacher K?
If you're strong, then try it. Okay, so thank you so much for having us today and for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe. Please don't forget to
Like and share and yes, subscribe to our
Yeah.
new YouTube channel. So
please leave your comment below.
yes.
Thank